Rick, we're live.
Hey, we're live again.
You guys, Rick is really, really busy. Rick, what do you have going on next week?
Oh my gosh, I got a wedding. I'm planning for a wedding, but I'm trying to take care of all you guys at the same time.
Yeah, thanks for fitting me into your schedule today. Yeah. Okay, Rick, so last week we talked about how we can kind of get started into the process of getting a pre-approval for a home.
Yep.
So we just want to dig a little bit deeper into that now and see what documents these people need to be able to just prepare. Do they need to like come into your office with those documents? Can they just call you over the phone? How easy is it? And what documents do they need before they come into that first meeting?
So like Niki said, so last week we talked about getting the pre-approval so you can know what you qualify for. And the way that starts is by providing pay stubs. So we would need 30 days of pay stubs. 2 years with a W-2, so like if you're going to do that this year, we would need your 2016, your 2017 W-2s,
okay.
60 days of bank statements, and that's it. And you could scan those in, you can email those to me, you can upload them to our website, and once you apply, it goes right into your application, and we can do this over the phone, we can do this with a mobile app, we can do it in person, so whatever's easiest.
So they can just take pictures of the documents with their phones, submit into the application. Yep. You have everything easy.
Yep.
Okay, and you guys don't be worried about having all those documents that you need in hand. I mean, like, don't worry about getting all those documents submitted to him like all correctly, because if you don't do something correctly, he will call you, he will let you know. He'll say, hey, you guys missed this, or resubmit this. So don't worry about getting everything right. Just go ahead and get that application filled out, get the stuff submitted over to him. And if there's any issues or anything missing, he'll call you, fill in the gap.
So we just, a lot of you are asking, like, well, I don't know if I can afford it. I talked to a few people this week. One person's rent is $1,550. The other person's rent is like $2,100. Fill out the application. Let's look at the numbers, and I'll give you an idea of what you can or can't afford. And then
your rent may or may not be like a better idea. So it might end up being better for you to buy a home. You might save money in the long run, monthly payments, or we'll see if it's a better idea for you to just keep renting. And
there's no rush. If you win, then we win. So we want to do what's right for you, and so we'll work on that together and get you right. So fill out the application. Those are the documents we need. Again, it's 30 days pay stubs, 60 days of bank statements, and the last 2 years W-2s. And if you're missing a pay stub or two, don't worry about it, because I'll tell you, hey, I need another one.
Hi, Hannah.
So it's all good.
Hannah,
you could say, hey, Hannah.
Yeah. Yep. Thank you for your service, Hannah.
Yeah. All right.
Okay, so what about credit?
Credit.
Let's talk about credit. And people are worried that their credit is not good enough, or you guys, if you don't qualify, or he'll screen you guys. He'll ask you a good number of questions. He will right off the bat know whether you're going to be a good fit to apply for a home or for a loan to get a home. And if you're not a good fit, he can tell you exactly what you need to do to be able to be qualified to get that home in a certain amount of time. So it's just a matter of guiding you and getting you along that track to get you buying a home.
Yeah, and so like I said, if you win, we win, and we want to help you get everything right. So if you may not be ready in a month or 3 months, it might be 6 months, but that's okay, because my job as a loan officer is to work with you, come up with a plan, give you a horizon, an action plan. It's like, okay, let's fix this, or that, and then we'll be ready. But that's my job, is to evaluate your credit. And a lot of people are kind of thrown off by what they see on Credit Karma or what they hear. We're a mortgage broker, so not only do we have the main banks as our investors, we have about 30, 35 other lenders that we can send loans to. So there's programs for everybody. There's programs for low credit scores also, so don't be shied away if you feel like you're at a 580 or a 680 or whatever. There's something for everybody. So
that's true. Don't be shy of anything.
Well, I'll let you know. So.
These guys are talking money all day. We don't judge, nothing. It's just their plan is just to figure out where you stand now and what your goals are, and to be able to get you to your goals really easily, lay it all out for you, your plan, very simple. And so we can either get you to your goal now of buying that home, or we can tell you what you need to do and how long you need to do that in order to get there. Yeah.
So
cool. Thank you, Rick.
Welcome.
I appreciate it. Thanks for watching, you guys. It was nice talking to you.
See you next Tuesday for Tuesday Tips.
Tuesday. Bye, guys. we'll mess with Rick a little bit more next Tuesday.
Okay.
Bye.